Hi, this is Lily from New Woman and welcome to my page. It's great to see you today. Okay, I've just got something to share with you. It might be beneficial for those who have what you may call skin tags, and I have seen quite a few people that I know who do have them and maybe who do not know how to get rid of them. So I went online. I don't know how I happened to just come across it, but I think it will be really beneficial for those who do have that problem of skin tags. And if you don't know what they are, there are these little bits of skin that kind of just hang, kind of little tiny things that hang off your skin, brown looking. So if you want to know a way of how to get rid of it, I have gone online and I have found a few things how to get rid of it, and these are what I come across. Now you can use apple cider vinegar, and there's also lemon juice. You can use banana peel, and I know you cut the banana peel into small tiny pieces and you put the inner side of it, not the outside, the inner side on your skin with a bandage. So use a band-aid with that. And then there's also ginger. You can use ginger. Ginger, the same thing. You just rub ginger on it. You just do it like three times a week, 3 times a day. Also with castor oil, tea tree oil, and aloe vera gel. And I think it's amazing. So all these simple things that we are unaware of, it's there and it's amazing. So I just wanted to share that with you. This is Lily from New Woman. And if you have problems with skin tags, ladies, men, or your husbands or whoever, that's the way, the natural remedy of how to remove them. It's so simple. Okay, this is Lily from New Woman again. On the bottom of this video, on the right hand side, just click onto our and subscribe to us, or subscribe to me. And also on the bottom of this video, click onto it and to check us out on our links to see what we're advertising and what we are doing working from home. And if you'd like to just join us, cheers. Have an amazing day.